Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making sev puri. For this we need chili garlic chutney, turmeric chutney, chaat masala, red chili powder, nylon sev, mint chutney, finely chopped onion, boiled potato, salt to taste, coriander leaf, black salt and puris of sev puri. Firstly take one medium size boiled and peeled potato, add chaat masala, little salt, red chili powder, black salt, mix it very well. Now put this potato mixture on each puri. Add mint chutney on each puri, little mint chutney. This is a coriander, mint, ginger and green chilies chutney. Add a drop of chili garlic chutney. Add little turmeric chutney. This is sweet and sour chutney. Now cover each puri with nylon safe. Garnish little onion, finely chopped onion, coriander leaf, and your famous Indian chaat sev puri is ready. Thank you.